How to deposit checks with Comerica Mobile Banking. Hello and welcome back. If you'd like to do so in today's video, we will be guiding you step by step. So open up the Comerica Mobile Banking website or application on your phone and you can sign in using your user ID and password or fingerprint or face ID if enabled. After you do so, you will be logged in. After that, you can go ahead and click on the deposit option and after that, select an account to deposit a check and deposit amount. So you can sign in the back of your check and write for mobile deposit only at commercial bank under your signature. Just go ahead and do so. And from the app's home screen, you can tap on deposit checks or deposit option. After that is done, you can place the check on a flat, dark surface with good lighting. And first, take a clear photo of the front of the check and then flip it and take the picture of the back of the check with your endorsement visible. After that is done, the app will guide you through the process with the aligned print boxes to ensure the check fits properly. And you can type in the check amount exactly as returned. Select the account you want to deposit it into and deposit check the details, your account, amount, images, and tap on submit to send your deposit for processing. And that is it. Once you receive confirmation that your deposit has been done, you can try deposit it via click and capture deposit and then follow the process. And afterwards, you can securely destroy the check by trading it. So therefore, if you'd also like to deposit checks with Comerica Mobile Banking, you may follow up these steps in order to do so. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.